हेलो गाइस, आज से हम फ्लटर सीरीज स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। तो इस वीडियो में हम इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करेंगे। ये वीडियो पार्ट 1 होगा, एक पार्ट और आएगा इसके बाद। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम बीएस कोड डाउनलोड करेंगे। सर्च करो बीएस कोड डाउनलोड। सबसे पहली लिंक पे क्लिक करेंगे। तो मैं विंडोज़ यूज़र हूँ तो मैं विंडोज़ के लिए डाउनलोड करूँगा। आप लाइनक्स और मैक के लिए भी कर सकते हैं। क्लिक ऑन दिस विंडोज़। डाउनलोड स्टार्ट हो चुका है। हम लोग बीएस कोड यूज़ करेंगे। तो ये डाउनलोड हो चुका है। इस पर क्लिक करके इसे इंस्टॉल करेंगे। अब I accept the agreement. Click on next. 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 Now click on check the box create a desktop icon and click on next and click on install. Click on finish. It will open up. तो आप देख रहे होंगे ये आइकॉन्स और ये सब बहुत ही छोटे छोटे लग रहे हैं। तो हम इन्हें जूम कर सकते हैं। इसका शॉर्टकट है कंट्रोल प्लस इक्वल की, और जूम आउट के लिए कंट्रोल प्लस माइनस की। अब कुछ प्लगइन्स डाउनलोड करने होंगे या फिर एक्सटेंशंस बोल सकते हैं। तो क्लिक ऑन दिस फिफ्थ आइकॉन, this one, extensions, and search Dart here, DART. Click on this very first one and install it. Now we need one more, Flutter, FLUTTER. So search in the search bar Flutter. Click on this very first one and install it. Now search Flutter widget snippets. Click on this second one. You can verify it by this name, Alexis Villages Torres. Install it. Now we need Prettier, PRETTIER, Prettier. Click on this very first one and install it. And the last one is optional. Search bracket. Click on this very first one and install it. And done. Now click on this gear icon and click on settings. Now search editor.format. Now you have to check this box, format on save. Check this checkbox and we are done. Now we can close this. Next thing, we will download git bash. So search here git download. Click on this very first link. I will download for Windows. You can download for Mac and Linux as well. Download is started. Now download is completed. Click on it and install it. It will open up. Next, you just have to click next and install. It is very simple. Next, and click on install. Now click on next. You can close it. Now we will download JDK. So search here JDK download. We will not code in Java, but we have to download JDK. Click on this very first link. Click on JDK download. This one JDK download. Scroll a bit down and search your OS here. Mine is Windows 64-bit installer. Click on this. Check this checkbox and download it. If Windows asks to keep, click on keep. Download is started. It's a big file, so it will take time. Download is completed. Now click on it and install it. Click on next. Install will begin. Click on close. Now we have to add this to path. Now we need to set the path of this JDK. Now go to your C drive. Click on program files and search Java and click Java. Click on JDK. Now you have to go inside bin. Now click on this address bar and copy this path. Copy. Now you have to search env in your Windows search bar. Click on this edit the environment system environment variables. Click environment variables. Now select the path and click on edit. Click on new. And paste the path here. Now click on OK. One more time OK. And OK. It's done. Now we will download Android Studio. Yeah, we will use VS Code, but we have to download Studio for virtual device. We will say download Android virtual device. So just search Android Studio and download this. Click on this very first link. And click on this download Android Studio. Check this checkbox and click on download. It's a big file, so it will take time. Now download is completed. Click on it and install it. Now click on next. You just have to click next, next, next and install. Click on next, next and install. Click on this next and finish. When you click on finish, Studio will open. Just do not import settings and click on OK. No, click on don't send. So now it will download too many files, so you need approx 1 to 2 GB of data. So click on next. You need to select theme here, light or dark, whatever you want. After selecting, click next. Now it will download these files, so click finish. It may take some time, like 20 to 25 minutes, because it will download too many files and extract it like that. Now click on finish. Click on this start a new Android Studio project. Click on this empty activity. Next. Now you need to set the name and the path. I will select desktop here. Click on OK. Now you have two options, Kotlin and Java. Select Java. Now it says desktop already exists, so copy this name, my application, put a slash here and paste that, and done. Click on finish. Now after opening it, it will download some files, so let him download. If you interrupt, then it may cause some errors while running Flutter, so let him download. Now we will set up our AVD, Android Virtual Device Manager. Now we will set AVD, Android Virtual Device. So click on AVD Manager. Now select your favorite phone. I am selecting Pixel 2. Click on next. Now we have too many options. We can select any version of Android, Oreo or Pie. I will select Pie. I will select Pie and download that. Click on accept the agreement, and next. It is also a WIG file, so low end PCs or low performance PCs will not download it. I will show you a separate. I will show you a trick in separate video. We can run on Chrome as well. So wait for the next part. Click on this pie, select pie and click on next. Click on finish. This is our name, Excel2 API 28. Now click on that play button in the right, yes, this one. It says unable to. Don't worry, it will open up automatically. If not, I will show you how to fix that. Don't worry, it will open up. So that's it for this video. In the next part, we will install Flutter and set the path. Bye.